Have you seen those adorable baby fruit videos taking over the internet? You know, the ones where a tiny baby grape giggles or a cute mango baby gets fed with a spoon? Just like these. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them, step by step, using powerful AI tools for text-to-image and image-to-video generation. If you've ever wanted to make hyper-realistic, Pixar-style fruit babies that melt hearts and blow up on social media, then grab your favorite fruit, because we're starting right now.
Just copy the prompt without changing anything. Open your ChatGPT and paste the prompt right there. Only thing you're going to change is the fruit name. Look at it below the prompt. That is the only thing you have to change. Put the fruit that you want, and ChatGPT is going to generate 2 prompts for you. That's one text to image and the other one image to video. And as soon as our prompts are ready, tap on this icon right here to copy it. And once you copy it, go and paste it somewhere. So I'm going to paste it in my notepad right now, where I am going to copy it and use. First of all, we are going to start with the text to image prompt. I'm going to copy this right now. Head over to my preferred browser and search for Google AI Studio. Now, once I'm in Google Studio here, I'm going to tap on the Nano Banana image generation on Google Studio. Look at it right here. Then I'm going to sign in. And as soon as I'm here, I'm going to select the Nano Banana feature. Once I select the Nano Banana picture, I'm just going to paste the prompt. And once I paste it, I'm going to give it some seconds for it to generate my image. You can see below my screen right here, it's already counting the seconds that the image will be ready. And my image is ready. I really don't like this, but this is beautiful. Then I'm going to download the image to my phone. I'm going to download it, tap on it and download. You can choose to use Google Gemini or any other generative AI to generate this. So once we are done here, we'll move to the next step. Go to your preferred browser and search for Google Flow Labs. Then come to this website right here, this particular one. Tap on it and log in as well with your email account. And once you're in, just accept their conditions. And if you haven't activated your own 1-year Google Pro account, check the link in the description of this video to watch a tutorial on how you can activate yours, because you'll be needing it a lot to create AI videos. On new project, once you tap on new project, here you tap on this text to video and change it to frame to video. Once you tap on frame to video, tap on this icon right here as well to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. So once they are here, I change the aspect ratio to portrait. Then I bring in my picture. That I have downloaded to my phone, which is the baby fruit video we have downloaded. So once I bring it in, just going to paste my prompt right here. That is the second prompt, which is the page to video. Copy it completely. Copy it and come and paste it right here. And then you send it after pasting your prompt and wait for it to generate your video. And our video is ready. Let's check it out. It's really beautiful, so I can just download it, save it to my phone, create as much as I want, and share them wherever.
Thank you for watching till the end. For easier and faster updates, join my WhatsApp or Telegram community. The link is in the description. I will see you in the next video.